Wait, she's seen it, yeah. She's speechless. She loves it so much. All right, hi, I'm Sander from Zen Space Makers Incorporated, LoftBedsNYC.com. I think today we went over the top because we gave Zondueo and Dana this beautiful, solid Catalpa piece that's been kind of in our shop for way too long. But I told them it's got a lot of character. It's got some distressed parts here. So we got this beautiful, solid Catalpa slab. And the stick actually literally fell out of a tree in the cathedral near my house, the Basilica of Our Lady of Perpetual Help. So I said, we're going to give you some holy sticks here for your balusters to hold up the Catalpa. And then this is this really great 3/4 Baltic birch with a lacquer finish. So there's some, contrast between the natural and the synthetic. But then there's, back to the staircase, there's solid cherry trim on the staircase. The Catalpa was used here and also on these pulls. So we gave them 3 little drawers for their big staircase. And now Zondueo is about to come in. He's never seen the desk, but he's going to be, hopefully, this will be the scene where he just like loses his shit. All right, Zondueo. This is your new desk.
That is nice.
Hey, get that one, buddy.
That is not what I said.
Hey, buddy, I get that one.
Look at this. Solid cherry. Backsplash. A bevel. Yeah, I know. Oh, it's got an oil finish. Yeah. 3 coats.
Awesome.
3 coats of a tung oil finish. And then we had extra white Baltic birch stuff. So we gave you the cabinet there. And there's an extra little shelf platform here. It's huge, right?
I didn't expect that at all.
Yeah.
What are you feeling, buddy?
I'm feeling great. It's weird to be on video.
I know, it's weird.
Really.
It's weird, but
This is amazing.
it'll be good for business. So.
Oh my god.
Yeah. So you guys will give us 5 stars on Yelp?
Of course.
Sir.
Are you kidding me?
Great. Excellent.
This is amazing.
Great.
It's really good odds.
Oh, listen, I want to show you one last little thing. We never have done this before. But
What do you think about it?
Acorn cap.
Did a beautiful
Okay.
job.
A little chrome
Amazing.
cap on the. Chris, you got to get the acorn cap here. So this has got. I saw these in this hardware store, Goodies Hardware in East Haven, and I was like, no, that's a really nice thing. And, yeah, and so it's after the nut goes on, you have this little decorative cap that also goes on, and yeah, so there's a little attention to detail. Yeah, exactly.
Hey, guys, you happy?
This guy.
Good.
I love it. You
Okay.
play, man. You